Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you Mini Twist. This is so beautiful and nice, easy and elegant. So guys, this is so beautiful and I want to thank you to return always on my channel. If you're first time to find this channel, just to know I'm here to share different hairstyle, natural hairstyle, braids. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. I hope you're going to like this. This is so easy, beautiful, so easy. And other things, it makes your hair protective, your hair grow and you look beautiful and elegant. Oh guys, this is really so beautiful guys. You can see this is so beautiful. This is crochet. So you can use crochet. If you don't have time to see it like a 2 hours, 3 hours, you can use crochet. This is crochet. You can see how you can do it for yourself, or you can go on salon to do it for you and do the same thing. You can look so beautiful like this one. So this is so beautiful, nice and elegant. Okay guys, you can see this. So once again, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribe, comment and like, and the other things you can share this beautiful hair style. Okay guys, you can see this is really so beautiful. Even this one, this is really so beautiful guys. You can see it's really so beautiful, easy, makes you feel comfortable, it protects your hair. So guys, if you need your hair grow, you have to use this. If your hair is so weak, low protein, you can use this because it protects your hair. So guys, you can use this. And other thing, if you braid this hair, the same thing, you can keep washing on your hair. So I suggest you to use this if you like it. I hope you're going to like it. Enjoy the video, help him. God bless you more. If you're first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle, simple hairstyle, elegant. So guys, this is really so beautiful. Enjoy the video, help him. Yeah. And other things I want to tell you, if you want to braid your hair, if you have enough hair on your head, you can use your hair. But if you don't have enough hair, you can use afro kinky. You can use, there is different type of afro kink guys. You can use selfie, you can use person twist.